Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. If you're a coleslaw lover, then I've got a recipe for you. And here's what you need for it. So easy. Check this out. I use the pre-cut coleslaw from the store, but if you don't, then just use cabbage and then shred some carrots, and you're good to go. Miracle Whip, mayo, vinegar, relish, tomatoes, celery seeds, and black pepper. So easy. So I want you to watch this. I'm not going to list amounts that you need. I just want you to watch how I do it, kind of eyeball it, and then you're going to do that too. So you're going to taste it as you go along. That's fine. All right, so I chopped the tomato, not so big, but not too small either. I don't want it to get mushy or lost in the coleslaw. If you're not a tomato lover, leave it out. I like it in mine, but it's not necessary. All right, a sprinkle of celery seeds. All right, a little black pepper, eyeball it, a little black pepper or white pepper if you prefer. All right, put a little relish in there. So you can see I got a little scoop. I just scooped a little bit out. That's fine. All right, white vinegar. It's a small bowl of it. So if you're going to make a bigger bowl than I'm making right there, then of course you're going to double or either triple all of the ingredients. A squirt of mayo. I'm going to use mayo and Miracle Whip. The reason why I don't want the coleslaw too sweet. But I am not a savory coleslaw person either, so it's not to the point where I want it like sweet like candy. No. But I couldn't just use all mayo. Not for myself anyway. But if you prefer it, do that, because it can work. All right, so now we're going to put a squirt of Miracle Whip. All right, looks like a couple tablespoons perhaps. All right, this is a really small bowl. I'm not around a lot of coleslaw lovers. I absolutely love it, but unfortunately I don't. I don't have a family that's just absolutely crazy about coleslaw, so. You see the little bit I'm making. So this is easy. Now the thing about this, you want to taste it. If you need to put a little bit of sugar in there to bring the flavor up or to bring the flavor of the tomatoes out, do that. All right, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. Like my video, please. Hit that bell for notifications so you'll be one of the first ones to know when I put a new video up. All right, and leave a comment. All right, this one's a good one. So this one's a good one with barbecue, fried chicken. Very, very good. All right, so you want to stir it up. Now, you do not want to serve this right away. You do want to give it a couple of hours. 6 hours if you can. You want the flavors to marry, because once the flavors marry, your coleslaw tastes much better. You will get rid of that raw cabbage flavor, because that's not what's up. All right, so let it marinate a little bit, and you'll be good to go. You'll be ready to serve it up. All right, so I'm going to put this in the fridge for a couple of hours, and that's what it looks like once I served it. Y'all better go make this. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.